In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the qualifier tool in DaVinci Resolve. First, go to the color page. You will see the viewer at the top, your nodes usually in the upper right, and various color controls along the bottom. If you do not see nodes, look for the node graph area above the color wheels. Once you are on the color page, you are in the part of Resolve designed for detailed grading work. Next, select your clip. Click on the clip thumbnail in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. When it is selected, a thin highlight appears around that clip, and the image in the viewer updates to match it. Make sure you are parked on a frame where the color you want to isolate is clearly visible. This avoids guessing later. Now add a new node. Press Alt+S on Windows or Option+S on Mac. A new serial node appears in the node graph, usually to the right of your existing node, with a small number on it. This keeps your qualifier work separate, so you can disable or adjust it later without affecting other corrections on the clip. With that ready, click the qualifier icon, which looks like a small eyedropper, in the middle toolbar under the viewer. Once it is active, the icon shows as highlighted, and extra qualifier controls appear in the panel, including options for hue, saturation, and luminance ranges. The cursor also turns into an eyedropper in the viewer, so you know you are ready to sample a color. From there, click the color you want to select in the viewer. For example, click directly on a red shirt if that is what you plan to isolate. After you click, Resolve creates an initial selection based on similar colors in that frame. You may notice that parts of the image subtly change, but we will use a cleaner view of the selection next. Now press Shift+H to see your selection. The viewer switches to a highlight view, usually showing your selected pixels in normal color and everything else in gray or black. If you see only a small patch of the shirt or too much of the background, do not worry, this view is exactly what you use to refine the key. Next up, adjust the selection using the qualifier controls. The hue range changes which colors are included around your sampled color. Widening it pulls in similar hues, narrowing it excludes nearby colors. Saturation controls the intensity range, so you can include only strongly colored areas, or also pick up more muted parts of the same object. Luminance controls brightness, which is how you avoid grabbing very dark shadows or very bright highlights that you do not want. In the highlight view, you will see the white area grow or shrink as you adjust each slider. After that, adjust the selected area using the regular grading tools. Work with the color wheels to change the color balance or brightness of only the qualified area, such as pushing the red shirt warmer or cooler. Use saturation to make that selected color pop more or appear more muted, while the rest of the image stays the same. Curves give you fine control, for example, lifting midtones of the shirt without affecting its shadows. A key insight here is that once the qualifier is set, any adjustment in this node applies only to the selected pixels, and the change appears immediately in the normal viewer once you toggle off the highlight mode. You have now learned how to isolate a color with the qualifier and then grade just that area in DaVinci Resolve. So if this helped you dial in a tricky color, a quick thumbs up would really help others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more Resolve tips like this.